Hi Charmers, it's Kendy Jane channel, and I have a few insights into Boxycharm today. They announced they have a new Spanish speaking Instagram channel. It's called the Boxycharm Latin X, and they will have everything they put on Boxycharm also on that channel, but in Spanish. So I know I have a lot of Spanish subscribers and that you probably will be interested in this. And also, I made a mistake on my last video and I really feel bad about it. I misunderstood some information. There is a really good Instagram and Facebook site called Boxycharm Beauties, and they have a challenge each month. And before the challenge, they give 2 hints, which were these 2 items, the exclamation points and the comic book strips. And they have a contest. If you're interested in getting in this contest, they have it every month. And these are the 2 hints for the contest. They worded it like it was a theme. I thought they were a Boxycharm sponsored channel, but I'm mistaken. But they are really tight with Boxycharm, because today they were at their studios doing an interview. Really nice women. The 2 administrators of the channels work, plus they do these channels. They do a really good job. So I suggest that if you're interested in this, you should join their channels on Instagram and Facebook. They have these challenges every month, and they have a lot of giveaways. They're really a nice group of ladies. And getting to our theme, it was announced on the Spanish channel. It is road trip. What an awesome theme for a summer box. I think this is even better. In the interview with the ladies, he also discussed the beginnings of Boxycharm. He started a company in 2013 called Merchandisers Liquidators, and he had a Z in Merchandisers. It was misspelled, but it was too late to change it. He did that for about a year, and he started with the original Boxycharm box, which was mostly makeup. He showed the box, but it was too labor intensive. You had to actually make the box, and he had no idea where to find the box or order boxes. So he called a company in Canada and started with them. He says he does not put money into fancy packaging, which I think his box is very nice and sturdy. He likes to put the money into the products, and that's what's made Boxycharm the great box it is today, I think. He said they run on a razor-thin profit margin. So I can believe that, because, ladies, you are getting good items here. I really don't see, as a business major, how he's making a small profit, because all I can say is these products must be marked up a lot. But anyways, he did show that same item as before behind his desk, except the view I seen today made the box below it look more black. So I have no idea. But he did give this hint that in future boxes we would be seeing more Tarte products, and possibly tomorrow there's a 50-50 chance that we will be getting a spoiler. So you better believe I'll be on it all day watching. So I just wanted to say, straighten up that theme thing and say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. You know I will always be honest about these things and give you the information correct. If it's not correct, I will come back and correct it. I want everybody to have a wonderful July 4th weekend. I don't know how that's working. I know my husband's off on July 4th. But if you're having vacation, please have fun, but stay safe. And remember the giveaway. Anybody who's interested in knowing about our giveaway, watch previous videos. And Have a great day and weekend. Till I see you again, take care and bye.